Hi, and welcome back to Logitech. Today, I have something fresh and exciting to show you. This is the Logitech G Pro X2 Lightspeed headset, a follow-up to the Pro X1 with some great new features and improvements which I'm excited to cover, so let's get right into it. First thing in the box are the headphones themselves, covered in some protective sleeves. Let's go ahead and slip those off. With those removed, we'll notice right away one of the most exciting upgrades to this product: swiveling ear cups. This is going to result in a much more comfortable fit for a much wider range of people. They're also noticeably lighter than the Pro X1 while still having incredible battery life. I'm excited because these two changes make an already comfortable headset even more comfortable. We have more to cover here, but I'm going to set these aside for now. The next thing we have is a box of cables. Inside we have a USB-C charge cable and a 3.5mm audio cable. In the bottom section we have an alternate set of comfortable ear cushions to help you customize the fit and feel of your headset. I'm going to lift out this entire cardboard section and move this box out of the way. Here we have the Lightspeed dongle. This particular unit has a special feature. You'll see a 3.5mm jack here, and I wanted to take a moment to talk about what this is for. It is not a headphone jack. It's an aux jack, and I think this is my favorite thing about this unit. When you plug in an external audio source, it gets mixed into your headphone audio. An amazing use case for this is plugging in the headphone out from your USB mic or your audio interface so that you can monitor your external mic audio in real time without any delay from software monitoring. I'm sure you creative people can cook up a million uses for this, but that's what I intend on using it for. Inside the lower part here, we have a headphone bag for storage and travel, and folded into that we have the boom mic. Now that we have everything that comes in this package laid out, let's go over a few more features of the headset itself. Along the bottom, we have the plug for the boom mic. Let's go ahead and plug that in. Next, there's the toggle that switches between the Lightspeed and Bluetooth connections. That's right, you can also connect this headset to Bluetooth devices. You have the charge port, the mic mute switch, the volume wheel, and the power switch. And on the other side, you have a 3.5 jack for operating in wired mode. This headset also has upgraded audio drivers, which are now made from graphene. The weight of the physical part of a headset that moves and creates sound has an effect on the sound from the driver. If the diaphragm is heavy, that means it takes more power to move and makes it less accurate. These lighter graphene drivers are more agile, and because of that, they can produce very accurate, lively sound, a difference that you'll notice. I hope that covers what this new headset is all about, what it includes, and why I'm excited about it. Feel free to check out our video on how to connect your Lightspeed headset, and also check out our G-Hub video that covers some of what you can do to customize your experience with your headset in G-Hub. Lastly, if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to check out our support site, which has downloads, FAQs, and tons of other cool resources to help you get the most out of your product. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.